I'm Dr. Kanak Tyagi. I'm associated with Preet Vihar for cataract services and pediatric ophthalmology. Today we'll talk about cataract. So most common thing in cataract is how to diagnose it or how to identify as a patient. First thing is after 40, go for a routine checkup. So it's your doctor's duty to tell you whenever the cataract starts developing. Second thing is there are few symptoms which you can easily realize, like having a frequent change of glasses number, or problem in night driving, or having glare in sunlight, or constantly you are struggling with your daily routine work. These are the few symptoms which you can have, and you should consult your doctor and find out whether you are having cataract or not. The initial concept which was there, when the cataract is mature, then only we go for a surgical option. Nowadays, this is not the thing. You can go for cataract surgery whenever it is hampering your daily routine activities. Cataract can even develop in children who have some developmental delay or some other problem when they are in uterus. So most of the time when you are getting your ultrasound done in the perinatal period, you come to know that there are few issues with child's lens. The initial concept was that cataract only happens in adults. This is not the scenario. It can happen even in children who have got some developmental delay or some other metabolic problems. The treatment for adult cataract, the latest concept is femtolaser assisted cataract surgery. What we do is, there is a lens which get opacified, it become hardened. So what we need to do is, we have to remove that opacified hardened lens and put a artificial clear lens. So removing that lens needs to be, initially we used to use some phaco machines were there, like we used to emulsify that lens and then do. But nowadays we have got a femtolaser, which what it does is it just cut the nucleus in 4 parts. So it is like very easy to remove all those 4 parts, and 40% of the surgery is done in the closed eye. So in diabetic patients or any complicated cases, these are important. The much lesser time you open the eye for the surgery, better is the healing power. So femto cataract surgery gives this added advantage that we open the eye for the less period and the healing power is more as compared to when we open the eye for a more period. IOLs, I would like to suggest that there are so many brands and so many types of IOL, but it is a kind of customized approach. First, we check your eye, we see what kind of IOL you are suitable for. If you have got some systemic issue related to retina or some other problem is there, then we will suggest that a monofocal would be a better. But if your retina is good, healthy, and you want to go for both near and distance vision, then go for a lens which provides you both for distance and near. That is called as a multifocal IOL. In case if you are having a cylindrical power or astigmatism, in that case we'll give you a lens which will like nullify your this cylindrical power also. Toric IOLs are better in case, because if you want to neutralize the power completely, like what we call as 100%. So 100% it is not possible, but at least 95 to 98% of the work you will be able to do without glasses. And that is the promise of any IOL. The latest version IOL, they give 95 to 98% correction.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.